Hey guys, this is Josh here from Trillium Wild Edibles, and today I want to bring you all a video on making fritters from the flowers of the wild carrot. Whenever you're making your fritters from the wild carrot flower, you want to choose your flowers that are big and open like this. Another thing I want to mention is do not confuse this plant with any hemlock species. I do have a couple of videos on hemlock identification if you are interested. Now, making these fritters from the start couldn't be any more simple. All we need to do, just grab these flowers, pluck them off, and I want to set them right into my bowl. Now see, we got this here. See this little bug on there? Unfortunately, I am going to have to shake him off. And he's going to make a fool of me. Well, there's two bugs. Right here we got two bugs mating. I'm sorry to ruin your guys' pleasure time. We're just going to have to flick them off. Sorry about that, guys, but it has to be done sometimes. Now, you might see these little bugs that you can see right in here, this little black speck. That's actually a little bug there. So we're going to just flick them off. Flick your flowers, give them a really good shake. That'll help remove some of the bugs. Alright, now right here we can see the wild carrot flowers that I have here in this bowl. I'm just going to take them inside and wash them off. So let's go. One thing you might notice whenever you are rinsing off your wild carrot flowers is these black little beetles that kind of stayed inside. Make sure you guys keep those obviously from getting in your house, mainly just because they're kind of annoying. But we're just going to take these guys outside. Right over here you can see I have the wild carrot tops, the flowers, already rinsed off. Now they're sitting here drying on some paper towels. We're just going to simply pat those dry. And we're going to let these guys dry up for anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. We want to be nice and dried because the drier that they are, the better our batter is going to stick to them. You can see we got some really good sized ones here. These are a little late in the season for this, but they're still perfectly usable. While these are drying, all we need to do is just get a bowl with some flour and then a bowl with some finely mixed up eggs, because we're going to be dipping these guys into here, then into this flour mixture. Once we get our wild carrot flowers, all we need to do is just dip them right into our egg really good like this. Make sure you get them nice and coated pretty well. It's okay if you miss a couple of spots. And then we want to go right into our flour. Make sure we cover them really good here. Then we go right into our hot oil. And that sizzle is exactly what we want to see in here. And then once your fritters are done, just simply take them out of the pan, right onto a plate with a paper towel with the other one so they can drain and all that oil and grease can drain off. So that's how you guys can make fritters from the flowers of the wild carrot. This is an extremely easy recipe to make. They're absolutely delicious. And if you want to season them up a little bit more, just season them up to your preference. Now we get to the best part, eating them. Absolutely delicious. I thank all of you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. If you want to learn a little bit more about wild edibles or medicinal plants, please make sure to subscribe.